another piece of good news from e-TESDA for those looking for free online courses. The agency also offers a popular skilled course among Filipinos, which is the Electrical Installation and Maintenance NC2. Those interested in becoming electricians in the Philippines as well as abroad can now take advantage of free online education through this portal. It should be noted that this course is also popular among senior high school students throughout the Philippines, as it is one of the courses offered under the Technical Vocational Livelihood track at the senior high school level. So with this online course, students will gain a wide range of skills. They will first be introduced to electrical installation and maintenance. Following that, they will learn how to perform roughing in activities, as well as wiring and cabling for single-phase distribution, power, lighting, and auxiliary systems. So aside from that, students will learn how to install electrical protective devices for distribution, power, light protection, and grounding systems. They will also learn how to install wiring devices for floor and wall-mounted outlets, switches, lighting fixtures, and auxiliary outlets after finishing this course. So, how do you register in this course? All you have to do is to go to the TESDA Online Program's official website, which is the e-TESDA.gov.ph. There's also a how-to section on the website that will teach you the step-by-step procedure on how to register. So you must first create an account on the aforementioned platform. After creating an account, you must confirm it with your registered email address. After successfully registering for an account, you can now choose a course from the website's course list. After clicking the enroll button, you will be able to begin learning from the course. It's that simple, and since it's free, you should take advantage of it. The good news is that you will receive a certificate of completion once you complete the online course. You can also take the national certification too after completing the course, which you will need to apply for jobs both here as well as abroad.